Hello kids, welcome back to online class. So children, in previous class we had learned the question and answers of lesson 3 and we had done one exercise. Also today we are going to do grammar parts of this exercise, okay? So children, we will start it from exercise number D, okay? Exercise number D. So here the question, write the opposites of these words. Use words from the box. Here some words has been given and we have to write its opposite words. Opposite means word, viparita sabda. Okay? So first one has been done for us. First one is above. So above means what? Uppare. So what is the opposite of above, children? Opposite of above is below. Okay? Below means tole. BELOW, below. It has already written. Now the next one. Children, if you can't see it clearly, you can take out your English to textbook, page number 20, question number D. Okay, you can check it in your English to textbook also. So what is the opposite of dirty? Dirty means what? Gondhia. What is the opposite of dirty? It is clean. CLEAN, clean. You have to write it with pencil here. CLEAN, clean. Okay, now the next one. What is the opposite word of laugh? LAUGH, laugh means hosiba. Hosibar opposite kono? Kandiba. So what can we say it? CRY, cry. Opposite word of laugh is CRY, cry. Okay, now over. Over means, children, the meaning of over is also means uppare. So some difference is there between above and over. You will know it in higher class. Okay, no need to know it now. Over means also uppare. And what is the opposite of over? It is under. Under means tole. Okay, so what is the spelling of under, children? UNDER. Under. Okay, now we will go to the next one. The word blackboard is made from two words, black and board. Like, look at the example and make new words. Choose words from the blackboard. The word blackboard, BLACK, black, BOARD, board. Blackboard meaning has made with two words, that is black and board. Like that some other words are here, we will add it. Okay children, first one is done. Book plus self, it is bookshelf. You know the meaning of bookshelf? BOOK, book, SHELF, self, bookshelf. Now we will go to the next one. Bed plus cover, bed cover. Okay, COVER. Don't write like this, children. You have to write with cursive handwriting. I am not able to write, that's why I am writing like this, but I will try. COVER. Okay, you have to write with cursive. Okay, so what will be the answer then? It is bed cover. What? BED, bed. COVER, cover, bed cover. Now we will go to the next one. News plus dash, news plus paper, PAPER, paper. Okay, newspaper. news. I am not getting the place sufficient. Paper, paper. Okay, last one, shoe dash, lace, lace. So it is shoelace. Okay, shoe, shoe. lace, lace. Okay children, that's it. Okay children, now we came to the next one, that is question number F. Fill in AI or AY to complete these words. AI means how you pronounce it, I, and AY means A. Okay, Y will be silent there. Okay children, AI means A and AY means A. Y will be silent here. So let us start. First one has been done for us. It is chair. As I told you, AI, chair. Okay. Now PLAY. What will be the answer then? AY. How you will pronounce it? Play. 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 Now train. TRAI and train. As I told you, it's A. So AI and train. Now brain, BRAI and brain. Okay, I think all of you read it in your English 1 class, the pronunciation of these words. Now it is word. TRAY, tray. Y will be silent. Now PRAY, AY, pray. Okay, now we will see the next one. Some words tell us about actions. Such words are called doing words or action words. Look at the pictures. Fill in the blanks with action words from the box. Children, in previous class we had read about the naming words. Now we will know the action words. Action words means we can say it as a doing word also. Doing means किछि काम करूथुबा. जदि आमे किछि काम करूथुबा से करिवा काम को आमे जो वर्ड कहू डूइंग वर्ड कहबा. फॉर एग्जांपल ईटिंग, रनिंग, प्लेइंग, जंपिंग, ओके, स्विमिंग, anything you do, the work is going on, that words we can say as doing word or action word. We can say it as verbs, but you will know it later. Now you only remember the doing word or action word. Okay, so first one has been written. This girl is climbing, so we can write there climb. These boys are what are they doing? Jumping, so you can write jump, JUMP, jump. Now this girl is playing, so you can say play, PLAY, play. Okay, now eat, EAT, eat. The next one is swim, SWIM, swim. Okay children, swim means you know pohariba. Last one is read, READ, read. Okay, we will go to the next one now. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Okay, so here some words has been given. We hear with our ears. Here means suniba, we hear with our ears. We dash with our hands. I have already written here, children. We clap, CLAP, clap with our hands. Now we dash with our nose. We smell, SMELL, smell with our nose. Now we dash with our legs. We argue and run with our legs. We dash with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. We dash with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Okay, that's it. We will go to the next one now. Write 5 sentences about Seema. We have to write 5 sentences about Seema. I have already written because now I am unable to write with the sketch, children, the pencil given here. That's why I have already written. It is not clear, but I will tell its spelling, don't worry. Okay, so write 5 sentences. First you do one thing, you first write here, after that you write in your English to notebook each and every part of this exercise. Okay, first one, Seema can tie her shoelaces, SHOE, LACES, lace, shoelace. See here, Seema can tie her shoelaces. So can you tie your shoelaces with your own children? See, Seema can tie her shoelaces. Next one, Seema can read. Can you read? Seema can read, can READ, read. Okay, Seema can write also. Seema can write. See here, Seema can write. I know all of you also can write. So SEEMA, Seema, can, WRITE, write. Seema can write. Now the fourth one, Seema can climb trees. As given in the picture, see, Seema is climbing the tree. So you can say Seema can climb trees, SEEMA, Seema, can climb trees, TREES, trees. Last one, Seema can dance. See here, Seema is dancing. So you can say Seema can dance, SEEMA, Seema, can DANCE, dance. Okay, that's it, children. Last line, just read. Now write about yourself in your notebook. Children, you can do it at your home. Now you all are staying at your home, I know, but you can do with your own, or you can ask help to your parents. Write about yourself in your notebook. You can write any 5 lines about yourself. Okay, that's it, children. This is the exercise of lesson 3. We are done. So your homework is, you have to write all of these in your notebook, English to copy, so that when school will restart, I will check all these things from your notebook. That's it, children. Have a good day.